Oh, big bow wide. Yes! Whoa! Oh, where's the dog going? Oh, Jamie's copping out. So's the dog. The dog and little Dave are taking the high road. Oh, we're getting the... Come Sticky! Little Dave, you're getting muddy there, mate. You should have had your sandals on.
I'm going to get muddy.
You want to wash him off in the puddle? John's coming. It's not too deep. It's not. I think it's all right in the middle. It's all right on the right. You want to get 2 wet feet on the right. Come on, that there. Yeah. Whoa.
Hey.
You having a wash? You having a wash?
Absolutely.
Come on, Stinky. Yeah.
Nearly. Nearly.
Anyone else having a go?
Very, very close to him. He's going to speak.
Must be. Oh.
No, I'm not going to risk that again.
Hey.
No, I'm going to do it once more. That'll do. Thank you very much.